Certainly. Black beans offer a plethora of health benefits due to their nutrient-rich profile. Here are 25 health benefits associated with incorporating black beans into your diet. 1. Rich in protein. Black beans are a great source of plant-based protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues, muscles, and organs in the body. 2. High in fiber. With both soluble and insoluble fiber, black beans promote digestive health by supporting regular bowel movements, preventing constipation, and reducing the risk of digestive disorders. 3. Low glycemic index. Black beans have a low glycemic index, meaning they cause a gradual rise in blood sugar levels, making them suitable for individuals with diabetes or those looking to manage blood sugar levels. 4. Heart health. The fiber, potassium, and antioxidants in black beans contribute to heart health by lowering cholesterol levels, reducing blood pressure, and protecting against cardiovascular disease. 5. Weight management. The high fiber and protein content of black beans help promote feelings of fullness and satiety, making them an excellent addition to weight management and healthy eating plans. 6. Antioxidant properties. Black beans contain antioxidants such as flavonoids and polyphenol, which help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body and reduce oxidative stress. 7. Bone health. Black beans are a good source of minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. 8. Improved digestion. The fiber in black beans promotes digestive regularity and supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, which is crucial for optimal digestion and nutrient absorption. 9. Blood pressure regulation. The potassium content in black beans helps regulate blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium and promoting vasodilation, thereby reducing the risk of hypertension and stroke. 10. Reduced cancer risk. The antioxidants and phytochemicals found in black beans have been linked to a reduced risk of certain types of cancer, including colon cancer, by inhibiting the growth of cancerous cells and promoting apoptosis, cell death, in tumor cells. 11. Improved cognitive function. The folate, magnesium, and antioxidants in black beans support cognitive function and may help reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's disease and dementia. 12. Stabilized blood sugar levels. The complex carbohydrates and fiber in black beans help stabilize blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream, making them an excellent choice for individuals with diabetes or insulin resistance. 13. Energy production. The iron and manganese in black beans play vital roles in energy metabolism, helping the body produce energy from food and supporting overall vitality and well-being. 14. Immune system support. The vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in black beans help support a healthy immune system by protecting against infections, reducing inflammation, and promoting the production of immune cells. 15. Reduced risk of anemia. Black beans are an excellent source of iron, which is essential for the production of hemoglobin and the prevention of iron deficiency anemia. 16. Healthy skin. The antioxidants and vitamins in black beans, such as vitamin E and vitamin C, help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, promote collagen production, and maintain a youthful appearance. 17. Improved vision. The beta-carotene and vitamin A in black beans support eye health by reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration and promoting good vision. 18. Healthy pregnancy. The folate, vitamin B9, content in black beans is crucial for fetal development during pregnancy, helping prevent neural tube defects and supporting the healthy growth of the baby. 19. Anti-inflammatory effects. The antioxidants and phytochemicals in black beans have anti-inflammatory properties, which help reduce inflammation in the body and lower the risk of chronic inflammatory diseases. 20. Detoxification. The fiber and antioxidants in black beans support detoxification processes in the body by binding to toxins and promoting their excretion through the digestive system. 21. Balanced hormones. The protein, fiber, and nutrients in black beans help regulate hormone levels in the body, promoting hormonal balance and overall well-being. 22. Improved mood. The folate and magnesium in black beans play roles in neurotransmitter synthesis and regulation, which can help improve mood and reduce the risk of depression and anxiety. 23. Reduced risk of metabolic syndrome. Regular consumption of black beans has been associated with a reduced risk of metabolic syndrome, a cluster of conditions including obesity, high blood pressure, high blood sugar, and abnormal cholesterol levels. 24. Healthy aging. The antioxidants and nutrients in black beans help protect against cellular damage, oxidative stress, and age-related diseases, promoting healthy aging and longevity. 25. Versatile and delicious. Last but not least, black beans are versatile, affordable, and delicious, making them an easy addition to a variety of dishes such as soups, salads, stews, tacos, and veggie burgers, ensuring that you can enjoy their health benefits in countless ways. Incorporating black beans into your diet on a regular basis can provide a wide range of health benefits, supporting overall health, vitality, and longevity. Whether you enjoy them as a standalone dish or as part of your favorite recipes, black beans are a nutritious and delicious addition to any meal plan.